Hey, how you doing? I have been cycling in France since 2008, so I thought I'd talk about 5 things you need to know if it's your first time cycling in France. Okay, number 1. This is not a legal requirement, but I always carry with me a credit card, some ID, and my medical insurance. If you have an accident, these are the 3 things that the authorities will want to see. The Boulangerie is your friend. Most boulangeries now do coffee and tea. You can buy pastries, croissants, sandwiches, quiches, everything in the Boulangerie, and it tends to be a lot cheaper than the fancy cafes. So if you are hungry or thirsty, go to your local Boulangerie. Your local Boulangerie will also do cans of Coke, sparkling water, everything you need at a fraction of the price of a cafe. A lot of Boulangeries nowadays also have a little terrace where you can sit and eat your sandwiches and drink your drinks that you have bought from the Boulangerie. In terms of drinking water, you don't need to buy bottled water. You can use all the taps in the area. Usually most villages and towns have a water pump as well, which you can use. If it says eau potable or nothing at all, then you are okay to drink it. Don't waste your money on bottled water. And also think about the environment. 1 less plastic bottle. If you find a tap that says eau non potable, that means it's not drinking water. Don't touch it. You might get away with it, you might not. You don't want to spoil your cycling holiday because of some dodgy water. When you're cycling on the road, especially through built up areas, be aware of priorité à droite. So the person turning onto the main road on your right has priority. A lot of locals won't even look, they'll just pull out in front of you. It's you breaking the law if you haven't stopped. So that's the priorité à droite. France has a great network of cycling routes, and dotted around the roads you will see signs like this. They're quite small, they're always green. It's worth following them. Don't just blindly follow your GPS system. Sometimes it's nice to take a detour, and these routes will take you through little villages. It may be a bit longer, but you'll start seeing the real France. So always follow the green signs. I hope you found these 5 tips for cycling in France helpful. Please keep watching to the end to discover a bonus tip, and probably for me the most important. If you've learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're an experienced cyclist in France, I'd love to hear your own tips or advice in the comments below. Finally, if you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and check out some of my cycling adventures in France. People appreciate it in France if you always say bonjour. Bonjour! You might get a bonjour back, a quick flick of the wrist, quick nod, but it's always nice to say bonjour to everyone. Bonjour! Obviously in a city centre that gets a little bit difficult, so I don't tend to do it when I'm riding into Caen.